Rehtaeh Parsons was born on December 9, 1995, in Halifax, Nova Scotia, to Leah Parsons and Glenn Canning. She grew up in a loving family with 2 younger sisters and was known for her caring, compassionate nature and her talents in both the arts and sciences. Rehtaeh excelled academically and had a deep love for animals, which reflected her empathetic personality. In November 2011, at the age of 15, Rehtaeh attended a party where she became heavily intoxicated. During this party, she was allegedly raped by 4 teenage boys: Adam, Josh, Eric, and Max. Adam was reported to have taken a photograph of Rehtaeh during the assault without her consent, capturing a sexually explicit act while she was incapacitated. This photograph quickly circulated among students at Cole Harbour High School, leading to severe bullying and harassment directed at Rehtaeh. Marlies. She faced relentless torment from her peers, who called her derogatory names and spread rumours about her. After enduring months of bullying and feeling isolated, Rehtaeh's mental health deteriorated significantly. She switched schools multiple times in an attempt to escape the harassment, but found no relief. In April 2013, after a particularly difficult period of bullying related to the assault and the dissemination of the photograph, Rehtaeh attempted suicide. Following her tragic death on April 7, 2013, 3 days after her suicide attempt, her family reported the assault to the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, RCMP. Initially, the RCMP had investigated the case but concluded there was insufficient evidence to charge any of the boys involved. However, in light of Rehtaeh's death and public outcry for justice, the RCMP reopened their investigation. The renewed inquiry ultimately led to charges being laid against 2 of the boys, Adam and Josh, for child pornography due to their involvement in taking and distributing the explicit photo. In November 2014, Adam pleaded guilty to charges related to child pornography and received a conditional discharge that included probation for 12 months but no jail time. The judge acknowledged the severity of his actions while emphasizing his youth at the time. He was required to submit a DNA sample and write an apology letter to Rehtaeh's family. The other boy involved faced similar charges, but details regarding his sentencing were less publicized due to legal restrictions concerning minors involved in such cases. The handling of Rehtaeh's case drew significant media attention and public outrage over issues related to victim blaming, cyberbullying, and systemic failures in protecting victims of sexual violence. Rehtaeh's parents became vocal advocates for change in legislation concerning cyberbullying and sexual assault laws in Canada. In August 2013, Nova Scotia enacted a law allowing victims to seek protection from cyberbullying and pursue civil action against their harassers. Rehtaeh's story also inspired the documentary No Place to Hide, the Rehtaeh Parsons story, which was released in 2015. The film retraces her life through interviews with those who knew her and examines the broader implications of cyberbullying, rape culture, and victim blaming that she faced. The documentary features insights from internet vigilantes known as Anonymous, who had pressured Canadian authorities to take action against those responsible for her suffering. It serves as a poignant reminder of the devastating impact of such issues on young individuals, and aims to educate viewers about consent and the importance of supporting victims. Rehtaeh Parsons' story continues to resonate as a cautionary tale about the devastating impact of sexual violence and bullying, prompting ongoing discussions about justice reform and support for victims.